Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are having an issue with Valorant versus your game requires a system restart to play. Please restart your computer, and this is occurring on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing, just go ahead and restart your computer. That's, the most obvious thing. And go ahead and restart it, and that should really fix the problem for 99% of you guys, in my opinion. And then once you've restarted, attempt to relaunch the game, and then hopefully that issue should have been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can try opening up the start menu, type in services. Best result should come back with services here. Go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. And now you want to locate a service that says VGC. So you might have to scroll down near the bottom of your services list here. So again, VGC, it's 3 letters. You go ahead and just double click on it. I don't have it installed on my computer because I don't have Valorant installed, but if you did, just go ahead and locate VGC, double click on it. You set startup type to automatic or manual. It shouldn't make a big difference. Just make sure it's not disabled. You can set it to automatic. It's not going to make the biggest deal in the world. Service status, you go ahead and start it. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and select apply and OK. Restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should honestly be about it. One other thing too you can try, if you close out of here and you right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, and then you select the Startup tab. If you notice Vanguard tray notification here, and the publisher would be Riot Games, you just would right click on it and select Enable. So again, if it's a Vanguard tray notifications on the left side underneath name in this column, and the publisher would be Riot Games Incorporated, you just would right click on it and enable it. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to do that. Do hope that I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.